Hey guys, welcome back to Jacob's Food Review with Jacob. As you can see, I got some guar 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 guaran guaran guar guar guaran guar guar guaranier Antarctica, the Brazilian original guaran Guarne soda. Guarnane. It has a, I also have some Salties beer salt strips. Peel it, stick it, lick it. Wow. Chili lime flavored. Contains 10 pre-salted strips. Wow, that's a lot. Beer dress, no mess. I don't care. Okay, this has a, biography that I'm going to read you now, if you will be so inclined as to listen to that. In the midst of the Amazon rainforest grows an exotic berry called guaranier. That bears the soul and spirit of our land and people. Take your first sip and you'll discover my flavor. Okay. So I guess the drink's talking to me. You'll discover my flavor unlike anything else and as unique as we are. Who's we? So it's I and then we. Oh. Guarania. Official. Brazil. Brazil sponsors this drink. The whole country of Brazil sponsors this drink. That's crazy. That's unique. Well, I'm not sure there's much else to say about this. I'm assuming that's what the Guarnier. I'm pretty sure that's what that looks like. I'm assuming that's what that is. It kind of just looks like a cherry, but with 3 cherries. Ew. I thought it said marijuana for a second. Smells like not good. Ooh. I don't know whose soul or spirit that is, but they must be evil. Maybe maybe the salt strip. Oh, it's not messy actually. It's actually really clean. Maybe the salt strip will enhance the flavor. So I'm assuming, what are the directions? Remove strip from sheet, stick to any bottle, can, or cup. Enjoy with your favorite beverage. Salties are 100% edible. Can I eat the sticky pad? I mean, that's what it says. We'll try that in a minute. Store in cool, dry place for best quality refrigerator freeze. We didn't do that. Refrigerator freeze when not in use. We'll just say we did. We didn't do it, but we'll say we did. All right, peel it, stick it, lick it. I didn't do it right. I gotta do it again. I gotta drink it. I guess I lick it, peel it, stick it, drink it, lick it, drink it. Oh, it's a bubble. Not as bad as I thought. Not good. Yeah, this is just sad. I'm just upset. This is like, these are the type of things that make me sad in life. Nothing else. Just Guarne. Wait a minute. Okay. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is in Antarctica? Think about this for a second. Guarna, Antarctica. Why does it say Guarne, Antarctica if it's from Brazil? Riddle me this, Batman. Doesn't make much sense, does it? Look at that thing. Looks almost as bad as... What's something I don't like? I mean, I guess this is edible. I don't really want to eat it, though. Alright, well, I'm in the midst of depression. This sucks. That's worse. Together, they aren't as bad as I thought it would be, I guess. I don't know. But I definitely need to get the, I need to get the taste of this crap out of my mouth, that's for sure. Good stuff. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna leave that one here. Thank you all so much for watching. Rating and aerodynamics. No. No aerodynamic. Not aerodynamic. Neither are aerodynamic. 0 out of 10. 5 out of 6. Ugh. In my teeth. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell, and then I will see you in the next one.